Keep the flowing down a jack. We not drop no catch in the morning.
Everything are going on.
Yeah man, no catch.
Jamaica show fishing outside.
Out here.
Oh God, man.
You see?
Fresh.
Chester from Girl Chester.
Fresh fish, people. Look at that. Straight out of the frying pan. He not even come out of it, guys.
Can you see it to your frying pan to your mouth?
Right away too. None of them fish no sit on pan land for 1 hour. Before they go in the frying pan. None of them fish no stay out of water for 1 hour before they go in the frying pan.
Yeah, they don't set that.
Right away in the frying pan.
Set them.
Yeah.
Hey, and first never see arm and leg fall like a rain. That fire from
Munch.
Carry this?
Strip fish. Fry fish straight out of the frying pan. Yeah man. Yeah, look at this.
See here, boy. You looking there for ya? Yeah.
Active.
White
Fully
ladies,
active.
everything up on the beach, you know, man. What you say?
As fish in our mouth.
I cook done. Yeah. Barrow, I cook alone a brown stew fish, fried and brown stew fish. You see me, people? Yeah, man, it's Barrow, yeah, so. Barrow, I pass around the taste test. You see me? Gio, they are saying where people's Gio from Rio Bueno. This is how far we in Portland, guys. And Gio's here, Nell's here from Rio Bueno. Same thing with Barrow. We have Pablo here from Mobay side. The same thing with One Link, he's here. And we all out here in Boston Bay Beach, Portland, guys. Yeah man, surfing beach, guys, and One Link and Pablo there, so all our reason to see him way. And we're just on the beach, guys, just chilling out and getting some food ready so we can fill up the stomach so we can push out this evening for the next exciting catch, guys. Big up yourself, guys. Thank you. And like, share, and subscribe to the channel, please, guys. That's right. Leave a comment. Drop a comment in the box what you think.
Watch your ads, guys.
That's right. Watch all the ads. That's what's going on, guys. All the way to the end. That's how we support these things. And you know what I'm saying, guys? So we are out here, guys. Stay tuned for exciting actions. You're going to see some catches from One Link earlier on in the day. I'm going to drop those clips later. Catches from Pablo. He was hitting double hitters up there. You're going to see those clips also, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Boy, I'm there mash up some curry fish and some white rice. Boy, I'm nice up an idea. Before we push out on the next fishing journey, I'm gonna try to eat some food, people. Yeah, try to. Mud. Some Dr. fish and some jack fish. You see me? Yeah, man, a fish we catch since a little while. But them guys I get ready to push out back in the evening, you know. So I'm gonna try to eat up something to catch up with them still. You see me? So big up yourself, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here, guys. Enough love. Here, guys, we're here. Camp's over there. Me Anthony's out here on the point. Pablo's here. We're trying to pick something up, guys. Let's see what happens next. Pick up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here, guys. Enough love. Fish on, peoples. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. We got a fish on. He's swimming towards me. We up on a cliff, guys. Let's get him up here and see what it is. It's nothing big, though. I don't think it's something big, but he's on it. See him?
Like a jack.
Looks like a jack. It's a jackfish, guys. Look, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Gio, it's a jack. Yeah, throw him in the bucket. That's what's up, guys.
Second one, that.
First one, this. That's my first catch since I've been out here. Hey guys, we just got fish on a while ago, caught a little jack. And that's my first catch on this trip, guys. I swear. Oh shit, this one just went south a while ago. I don't know, I hit it. We got fish on again, guys. And hitch up. Right here. Am I swim towards me? Yep. Fish on, yeah. Fish on, guys. Nope, he came off. No. Yeah. He came off. He was on it for a second and he came off. Right, that's why he come off, you know?
We see, brother. See, brother.
We're taking a little shut eye water, guys. And that one kicked off on me. Let's see what's up with this big rod. I seen it go off a while ago, but I wasn't really pettying it. But let's see what's up. Hold it. Fish on. Fish on, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing? Fish on. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. You didn't come off, you know?
Come off?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
You come off, look wild. I don't know how he came off that circular hook.
No.
He came off, bro.
Yeah, Jerry. And two, so I get the active, you know, and I sleep back again. If they're trying to get active, but active, I know, we don't like the a different batch you're going to put in. Different batch you're going to put in. You ever see more mucks like greens and literally turn, you know? The fish are pulling until it turn, you know?
Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. We are packing up. The weather is changing on us, guys. And we really don't want the rain. It started drizzling early this morning. I heard of a cold front hitting the east coast. Sky don't look good. So we're gonna pack it up a little bit early. Head in a little bit early, guys. And this is Boston Bay Beach, guys. One of the best spots to go to the beach. Apparently, the seaweed was giving us a wicked fight that came from someplace else, which can change the coloration of water. If you look over there, you'll see the natural color of this place is really over there. But the seaweed kind of changes the color here, which smells a bit. It's like horrible. But this is the worst I've seen it in years that I've been coming here, guys. The team is packing up. We're gonna stop down in Port Antonio side to link up with Cray Spearfishing. Big up to Cray Spearfishing, guys. We are out here. Fishing here, guys. We packed up. We're heading home, and we're gonna stop on the way home and check Cray Spearfishing. We actually passing by this castle in Portland. I was just showing the fellas a while ago. They never actually been up this side before, guys. So just giving the guys a little bit of taste of the area and showing them what's going on. And we have Nell is riding with me. Auntie and them is in the next vehicle behind. Laurie's here as usual, and we just heading back down the line, guys. The road is bad. We didn't expect the road to be this bad coming up here. But if you guys are in Portland, do check out Boston. Do check out the scenery. It's awesome scenery up here, guys. Awesome people. People here are wonderful people, guys. And they treat us so nice and gave us so much hospitality while here in Portland at the time that we visited for. No issues, no problems at all, guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. guys. Just get pan Cray ends and look where Cray shoot yesterday. Let me see that. Let me see that now. Look at the size of this monster. Mad move. Nice parrotfish, big man, yeah man. Nice shot. Yeah guys. Look at this rockfish. I love these. These are nice. Cray freeze a kick from the time when you shoot that fish, you know. That's my Cray catch. Cray shoot some fish and trust me. I know baby thing this man I shoot bossy. Trust me. The first collab guys that we're doing, and we are here with Cray Fishing. Cray's about to get some fish together. I don't know if you guys see the size monster that he killed yesterday. He's about to cook this bad boy up. We're about to eat this bad boy.
Get nothing better than this.
That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Guys, we are out here. So boss, yeah. Boss, I pull in that place. You see me? Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Cray cut up this fish here when I catch yesterday.
Yeah, trust me. I don't know what's going on. So we are going to boat in my man now. You know?
Look at that. Who that?
Yeah, I could have TPP on my pits.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Yes, neat. Amberjack, guys.
Piece of steaks. Sure. Making sure fish is eating good today.
Cray, all me say, yo, do your Cray magic. I'm not even tell Cray know what to do already. I mean, me not even have to say that.
Steaks, that brother.
Anything you want to do with it, Cray.
I never eat piece of them meat there yet.
I thought I eat it. You're not getting no money. I thought I eat it.
Yeah, the big one we get with family last night. I hooked something decent last night, you know, man. And I get with family last night. Pop off right as me bring him up, so he just goes up. I was like, damn. You can't go down there, you know. You see, if it's a quick shoot and you go so quick, but you have to take your time, come up. You can't rush.
While him a shoot him attack. No, you can't.
Mud up. Cray, man. He said, man. He catch my video because he came and run after me. I run. Yeah.
I catch up back for myself right away though.
Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. We're here with Cray Anthony Spearfishing. Cray Spearfishing, and Cray do some season up on we here, guys. Some olive oil.
You don't want it. Season all on pan, you
know. Strictly organic cooking, you know.
Yeah, man, so we do it, you know. You know where we're going now. We get on some season pan, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, so we have some blend up. We get on pan, you know.
That smell good, is it, man? Feel like you want to eat it raw. Back up and get the boss in action.
I don't know where to get it. Well seasoned up, you know, my peeps. Really light up and thing already, you know, so.
Get off the view of the grill here, peoples. Yeah, man, the grill flame up. Look at that. Whee! Fire! And you guys, make sure if you're on the St. Mary's side, link up with Cray. Cray do the ill seafood cooking, guys, catering. If you're interested in doing weddings, parties, and events, you link up Mr. Cray. And Anthony too, definitely. Yeah man, you want seafood, you link up Anthony and Cray on this side of St. Mary, guys, Portland side. And definitely get yourself some proper fish.
The grill already, put in the grill already now, Anthony.
The grill light up man, it's a fire, you hot your fat. Oh, the mesh. I'm on Anthony, I drop on the grill, peoples. Fire up the fish. A Cray faithful grill, listen peoples. If you watch him video, then you will see this fill there regular. Yeah guys, we here and Cray's about to drop the fish on the grill. That's what's up. Get in there so you guys can see this. Look at those steaks, guys. Seasoned up, olive oil, all kinds of seasoning on that. Imagine when this comes off, guys. That's what's up.
What is it, you know, my peeps?
You see it, guys. Anthony. Go on, man. Do your thing, man. Go on around, so Anthony. Yeah. Better yet. Anthony, I flip the fish, then, people. Look at this. Yes, guys. Look at that coloration of the steaks already, guys, on the grill. Jerking fish, guys. Jerk fish steak. Look at that. Fish almost cooked already, you know, peoples.
Break it a bite, yeah?
Don't break it, Anthony. You're gonna bite it.
Imagine I cook and I get none.
My God.
Lucky don't.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man, guys. Look at that, eh? It's fragile.
The bite.
You have a spatula. You have a spatula. You have a spatula. Egg spatula. Yeah. Yeah. A spatula will work first, guys, because the fish is fragile because it's cooked. Right now, my mouth is watering, Anthony. Anthony, the whole of my mouth is water right now, and I look for the fish in the dogs. These guys got jokes, peoples. That's what's up. Thick, yeah. The thicker it is. But Cray cut these nice and thin, but they're nice steaks, bro. Don't get me wrong. I'm not telling you a lie. When I best thing, peoples, is when you shoot a big fish like this and can't eat him. Oh God, that feeling is like hunter feeling all the way. Yeah, man. Definitely have some browns too. What is it?
No, curry me like the curry business.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we like how we curried the fish last night.
No more curry, man.
The shrimp there, same way, guys. That's what's up.
We plan to go beach at stars and if we don't come. 2 pound, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's what's up, guys. That's the beach getting ready. That's what's up.
Like a jungle leaf, you know?
Yeah, guys. That's the fish is going on. This is what's up on Cray ends, guys. You come on Cray and Anthony ends. This is what you get. 100%, guys. No short slack, no short or nothing.
Freshly catch.
That's what's up. Yes.
I want to slice the party over there.
Thank you, thank you, Anthony.
See, I want to plate.
Oh, me no want plate. Me alright. I seen what Cray and them going with over here, so already. I'm good, man. You don't have to move that further.
Put this at 2 slices of bread at the party over there.
Move that.
Let's go fish bud.
This is what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I hate this, people. Real fish sandwich, people. Look on this. I don't know artificial bread fighting. We crush up and process. A real fish sandwiches here.
Big up Anthony, big up Cray, same way. Jamaica shore fishing out here.
Oh my God. This is so good. Bro, this is so good. Right now, I'm like, yeah, man, Cray boss, people. Any seafood special? Want to link Cray Spearfishing, Anthony Spearfishing at St. Mary, people. They fish bud. That me I tell you, sell off, done. Sandwiches, no real fish sandwiches, no people, no processing, we don't do frying, no guys. Yeah, man. Come in, Larry. Alright. I'm not going to take it up big for you. Hold on for that. That's Larry there, guys. Down the road. Hold on, you want more fish? Alright, cool. The people.
Yeah.
A Cray chef up the thing, people. So you're in Jamaica, you're in St. Mary side. Check in and link Cray and link Anthony. And then I'm around St. Mary side, people. We are mobile. I come from 4-hour drive to reach up here, so. And trust me, total hospitality, people. I kid you not. 100% hospitality on the crew there, so. Every man I eat a decent food. You see it? Where's the nail? I Cray, I do it, though. Brawling. Yeah, man. I build a vibe, Anthony. Oh, God, man. I best this. People. Me I tell you, say, yo, Cray, I do it. I will show up in a Cray place, people, 100% hospitality. We no short of nothing here, so people in a Cray place. We no short of rum, we no short of liquor, we no short of nothing. The man does total hospitality, people, 100%. I'll link me up. I'll drop in a man place, and trust me, all of you eat some decent food, people. I kid you not. I want to drop back in the clips, guys, and show you the size fish where the man catch and put on the grill for we Jamaican shore fishing team show up at the man place. I mean, I kid you not. Total 100% hospitality, and we living, we eating, traveling Jamaica, and visiting different places, people. Big up on yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.